We are pleased to show you the 2024 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, touring suspension, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.